Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is Google Doogle. We're going to take a walk on the Strand beachfront and have a look at one of our local artists who's gathering sand and creating some wonderful works here. Let's take a look around. Obviously a contribution will help in his work because he does this as a serious job, full-time. He's creating wonderful works here on the beach for our entertainment. And look over there, there's the CHILLIEBEAN. Let's go and have a cup of coffee with our friendly staff and owners and entrepreneurs from Gordons Bay, based here in the Strand, the CHILLIEBEAN. That is Tony and Isabella. And taking a look at the surroundings, where else would you want to be? Just come and sit on the beach, have a cup of coffee, enjoy watching the surfers and our local artists there in the sand at work. And surrounded by beautiful buildings such as this in the Strand. It's almost like Honolulu, except the surf isn't quite so big right now. Wait till next season, or no, we're in winter now. It might pick up later. Let's wait and see. There are surfers in the water. Of course, there's other spots in the area like Gordons Bay and further up the beach there towards Muizenberg on the other side of the bay. But right now, Gordons Bay and Strand is the place to be for lovely weather. Don't you love that? They're cheating Eskom and being smart. These entrepreneurs are not waiting for Eskom or using petrol, chemical pollutants. They've got their own little arrangement there at the CHILLIEBEAN Co. They're running that little operation with the solar panel. Very well done.